Roshan Accounting Experiment 9 compiler. So this experiment is on a Yak program. So Yak is basically yet another compiler. So let's see the code. So here a Yak program is created with an expression .y, and this is the program to do simple basic calculation. And Yak program contains three parts which are separated using a double percentage sign. So you can see here there is one double percentage sign to separate the first part, the next, then the next part, and the last part comes after the second double percentage symbol. So here uh, we're gonna use this to add, include any header files or any tokens, and here we're gonna include two header files, studio.h and ctype.h, and another token named num, and this left and right are attributes to show how association is done for these particular symbols. And as you know, for exponentiation, association is from right to left instead of left to right. And yeah, the second part is all the syntax directed translations. So if it's this is a starting variable s, so it's by default it's going to take the first syntax directed translation as a starting state, and yeah, it could be an e, and if it's an e, it's simply going to print it, and this $1 is simply to denote the value of e. and now we're gonna see what are the syntax translations for e. And e could be e plus e, e minus e, e into e, e by e, or e exponentiation e. And so these are what has to be done when these kind of expressions are encountered. So with e plus e, we're supposed to add the value what is in the first person and the value in this third person. So that is basically the value of this e with value of the other e, and similar operations are conducted in every other expressions. And if a value is embedded between two brackets, it simply means uh, the result is simply the value of that value between the brackets. So that is what is shown here. So this e is denoted by $2, that is the position value of e, and e could also take num1. And now this is a definition of what num1 could become. Num1 could be a num, that is a token, or it could be a number expressed in 2 digits. So if it's 2 digits, first digit multiplied by 10 plus the second digit will give you 2-digit format. And $1 represents the first digit, and $2 represents the second digit, and $dollar is always representing the result. And later the C, we define all the functions in C C code, and YYLex is a function that's been invoked every time a main function is encountered. And in lex, what we're going to do is the input character is being converted to integer by ASCII subtraction, and the token num is returned. And if it is not a number, then it basically a character plus or minus or something. So that's going to be returned as a character itself. That is why we're going to check. If the number that's been taken as input is a digit or not. And we have wrap, error to handle the errors. And yeah, that is all. So we'll try running the code. To run a Lex program, we need to first pause it and first compile it using Yak compiler. And once it's compiled using Yak compiler, you compile another intermediate C file that has been created, which is yy.tab.c using the C or CC compiler. Okay, there's been some error. You figure that out soon. So it's cc space y.tab.c, and once that is compiled, you have to simply execute it. And this is the place where you're gonna give the input. So input has to be in a form of an addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or exponentiation. So let's try an addition. 10 plus 29, and you get the result. And yeah, that is all. To make it more viewable, I'm gonna increase the size of it. So there's 39. So if you want to try another input, here let's say you want to try a multiplication, I'm going to try 24. 24 into 4. So you're going to get 96. So yeah, that's how. Thank you.